Okay, before we determine we want to do the job, we're gonna have to pull this motor. So let's pull these bolts right here and get started. So this one back here, right, right back there, right there. Gonna have to tilt the motor when we get the mounting bolts loose. Okay, now that we got those mounting bolts out, we're going to head and pull this toward us a little bit to get to that bolt back there. Okay, now I'm holding the camera, so, but now you're gonna have to note that bracket right there has shims underneath it on all four corners. Okay, now we're gonna have to count. If you could do it the way you want to, but this is the way I do it when I'm 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I wrap them in tape, and then I number them for where they go. Boy, oh boy, the things that you see when you repair something. Well, that ain't factory right there, is it? Someone's a plumber. All right, anyways, you get that disconnected from there, and then you can just lift this portion right out of there. Okay? Almost forgot. You gotta separate that guy first. Okay, now once you get that tube off of there, go ahead and mark where this line goes and that line goes there. Let me show you. Those two lines there, don't get them mixed up. Just quickly, I want to show you your two best tools for this job. This and this. Mark everything. We are going to get back on this. This is the next day. I was thinking about it last night. I think I'm gonna try to take these cylinders out and investigate what's going on there with the cylinders also, because you know, when the pistons are that bad, there's got to be something else going on with the cylinder too. And plus all that smoke that was coming out, you know, it's got some big blow by. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is 6 mil. I'm just gonna put it back behind here, make sure that that is the correct size. Yep. Okay, so let me go get a ratchet and we'll get busy. Alright, let's see if we can't sneak behind here. So when you do things like this, you got to make sure that it's going to be worth your while. You know, I mean, you don't want to get into a money pit. I know that you're excited and all, you know, about getting it running, and you like the challenge like I do. But sometimes if it's too far gone, then it's not worth your time, you know. I know it's only 60 bucks. So we can, I mean, we can kind of afford to throw a little bit of money at it, but if it's just going to keep on eating money, then it's not worth it. Especially like me, because I flip. I'm a flipper, so, you know. So sometimes if I really enjoy the piece of machinery or equipment or that, you know, I'll keep it for a little while, then I'll get rid of it again. I never hold on to anything really a long time, especially you know, stuff that is seasonal, like stuff like this. Seasonal stuff, it's, you know, if you're not careful, you'll accumulate a lot of it, you know. So you get the drift. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the rest of those bolts out of there. Okay, we got those 4 out. Go ahead and take our 11 millimeter here. Let me get up here. Take these 4 bolts out here. I said it before, I think this has been redone before. I said it before. Alright. Don't know exactly what they did, but thinking that someone's been in here. Because I see that red silicone everywhere. And that, you know. I think I gotta take 2 more bolts out. Maybe, hold on. Oh, doggone it. Okay, I see. Alright, hold on. Okay. Now we got that out. Let's check. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, goodness. Let's see here. Yeah, that's not good. Do you see those? Oh. Let's see if you can see those. Right there. See those vertical scratches there? Oh, that's not good, guys. Oh. That's not good. We're gonna have to think about this now. Let me get online and see if, yeah. Like I said, if they're gonna be money pits, it's not worth it. Okay. Okay, so today we got our wood. I'm gonna make this thing all of 2x4s and those 4 casters. Got some wood over there. This place is a mess. A mess. Now this thing right here is taking up way too much room, and I need my trailer to go get other things and take my trash every week. So I looked at a jet ski trailer the other day. It was actually a 2-person jet ski trailer, but it was in really bad shape. And this right here is going to require for me to have more room. So let's just get this thing up and going. Build that little cart that we're going to be building for it. Get this trailer out of here and move on. Let's do it. Okay, so we got our first set cut. We got our 11.5-inch bunk supports. We got our 4-foot bottoms and our bunk right here, 5 foot. Let's put it together. What I did is I pre-drilled both pieces of wood. Now let's put it together. Okay. All right. Here's the first one. Very nice. Okay, so we got our first one done here. Set that to the side. Let's make the second one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut up our braces here at 27 inches. Okay, now you see we got everything mocked up. Let's screw it all together and then we'll put it on our bunk pieces and then we'll flip it over and put on the casters. Okay, we got our casters on. Now we're gonna flip it over and do our bunk and then do our carpet. Okay, there's your finished product. Pretty cool. It'll do the trick. Next time you see this thing, it's gonna have a jet ski on it. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do this here. So I think it's gonna be just fine. Oh yeah. There you go. Sweet. It's the next day. What we have here is I took that back of the trailer off the cage, and I'm gonna be putting that up to that, but I got some folks coming by to help me. I can't move it myself, so and you know, I don't want to try because you know, it's heavy. But yeah, see you in a bit. So what I did is I put this strap on there so when we get ready to lift it off of there, that it doesn't come crashing down on top of the trailer. Just kind of, I don't know, like a little bit of a measurement. Maybe it worked, maybe it not. I got it nice and tight. So yeah, see, it's not that far off the ground, but I don't want to crack that bottom. Okay, here we go. She's on there. I might slide it back a little bit, but I don't know, it feels pretty good when I roll it around. But yeah, something I gotta share. A good friend of mine passed, so this project's gonna have to be on hold for a minute. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.